Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Animal Rivals video. And today we are joined by Secret Agent 46 and Loose Space. I'll put both their channels right here. And yeah, go subscribe to them. But today we are using my viewers' loadouts. So the first fan we find, we're gonna use their loadout. So I'll see you guys when we find the first loadout. Alright guys, we found the first person. Yeah, you're giving a loadout to 3 of us. Giving one loadout to 3 of us. So give me a loadout.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a decent loadout.
Okay, I'll take it.
Burst rifle.
Okay.
Oh.
Grown man asking for a loadout.
SMG.
Burst rifle, SMG. Okay. What else?
Baby pistol.
Baby pistol.
And then you can pick a melee weapon or a grenade.
Okay, Secret. Loadout right now. Give me a loadout. Give me a loadout. Off the top of your head. Give me a loadout.
I'm trying to play the game.
Your loadout.
AR, SMG, and pistol.
AR, SMG, pistol.
Mine was so good. I was using my loadout.
Jesus, bro. What is this?
I don't know.
Can I give you a
Alright, guys, so that's the end of the video. It was mainly me just talking to myself the entire time. Yeah. Go subscribe to my friends.